Hey my natural beauties, welcome back to my channel. To all my new subscribers who are subscribing for the first time, thanks so much for clicking that button, thanks so much for stopping by, thanks so much for watching today. And all my loyal ride or die subscribers, my notification gang, all my goodie, they were always a comment under the videos and showing me so much love. You guys know I love you, so thanks so much for watching this video. I'm on the whole motive of you guys getting to know me better, and that's what this video today is going to be about. I want to see you guys get like a little bit more familiar with me, you know, as you guys could tell from my story time video, which by the way, if you haven't seen the story time yet, go and watch the story time. It's my first story time. I'm gonna have the link down below in the description bar and also on the screen right now. So guys, I want you guys to get to know me. I want you guys to get to know Toya. I want you guys to, you know, be familiar with me so that I know that, you know, this is real, so that I know that we're really friends and not that you guys just watch videos and then you're like bye, you know. So this video today is gonna be a fun video. I've seen it going around on YouTube, so I'm not early to the party. I'm pretty late, but it's fine. We're still gonna do it. We're still gonna make it happen. The very first person that I saw to do this, I don't know if anybody else had done it before her or whatever, probably yes, but the very first tag that I saw like this was Adrian Show. She's of Jamaican descent, so I really liked her video. And then my girl XO Glam Addict XO, she also did this video. Then I was like, yo, I have to do this because I really wanted to do it for a while. I told her it was on my bucket list and whatever. I'm gonna leave both their videos linked in the description bar just because I really like their versions of it. Today I'm gonna be showing you guys a couple of my old photos, reacting to my old photos. So I wanted mine to have a little bit of a twist, so I'm gonna have mine with photos of me from a younger stage going, you know, coming up. I probably might have a part 2, I'm not sure because I haven't found all my pictures. So this is basically going to be like a Jamaican girl glow up type of video. And you guys always ask me, so yes, I am Jamaican. I am Jamaican. Even today I was answering comments about my nationality, so I am Jamaican. I also want to do a question and answer video, but not yet. So when I am ready to drop that, I am going to let you guys know. I just have a couple of them in my phone, and I'm just going to basically be looking at them. You guys are going to be seeing them on the screen, and I'm just basically just going to react to the photos, tell you guys how I feel and at what stage in my life this photo was taken or whatever. Just basically explain what's happening in the photo. If you guys like this video, please give it a thumbs up and also comment below as usual. Let me know what you guys think about the video and about the pictures and stuff like that. Follow me on all my social media sites. With that being said, Instagram, Facebook, Snapchat, Twitter, those names will also be on your screen right now and also in the description bar. I really wanted to make this video for you guys to see that no matter what stage in life you are, you can still get better, you can improve, things can, you know, like you really don't know at this, like the way things are now in life, you don't know how you're going to end up, you don't know what you're going to end up looking like really, because the glow up is real. Even though the struggle is real, the glow up is real, and things, you know, happen and life changes and you get better at stuff. Sometimes some people get worse, but you don't really know for sure how things are going to end up. So just always be optimistic. I think that's what I want the lesson today to be, because honestly, if you ask me if I knew what I was going to be doing, what I was looking like, what I would be looking like in the future or whatever, I would not know. I wouldn't have the slightest clue, and I would definitely tell you guys that this me now would never be me, you know. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. So yeah, without further ado, let's just jump right into this video so I can react to some of these old photos for you guys. So alright, so this picture is of me. I was basically a newborn, as you guys can see. I don't know if I told you guys or if I mentioned this before, but I was actually born 2 months early because my mom was sick throughout her pregnancy or whatever, so I was born at 7 months. So I am a premature baby. So this is basically just me, you know, after being born and whatever. This one, no, I don't know if you guys can see with me eating with the cats, because honestly I never used to eat. I was one of those kids that never liked to eat for some reason. Even when I used to go to school, I used to like give my juices away. My mother's gonna be so pissed if she watches, but I used to give my juices away and give my snacks away because I never used to eat. I don't know why, I just never liked eating. But no is like the complete opposite. But back then I never used to really eat like that, you know. I don't know why, but this is just basically me eating with my cats. And I think this is colored one rice. I don't know why. I was very young in this picture, but I distinctly remember this day. I don't know why. I really remember this day. You guys can see the greens in the plates. I don't know. My little bubbles and thing. I loved cats. Like I really loved cats. you guys will see, you know, probably throughout these pictures that I love cats. In this one, I think I look a lot like my little brother in this picture. I kind of look like my daughter in this picture as well. Yeah, just standing by the gate. Guys, these pictures have been through hell and high water. Alright, so don't know if you guys can see that, but these pictures have been through hell and high water. So if them look away, don't judge my picture then. Don't do it. Because a long time, like, people don't print pictures out anymore, so these have really been through a lot, honestly. So I'm just standing by the grill in this one with my nice little smile. This was when we were living in Kingston, and well, not really Kingston, what do I call it, St. Andrew, St. Thomas, whatever, but like we were basically living back that side at this time in my younger days, and I really loved this yard. It was so fun. I had a lot of fun like playing in this yard that we lived in right here. Alright, so this one, I don't even know how old I was right here, but guys, you see my hair? Like, you see my hair right now? Oh my god, like I basically have like no hair. I basically have no hair, and like if you've seen my Snapchat, then you see that's how my daughter's hair is. She doesn't have any hair. Her father didn't have any hair either when he was younger, so I was basically bald. So this is me with a lot of hair, honestly, because like I don't know, how old was I here? Probably like 2. Yeah, probably 2 or so. But basically I have no hair, and even now, like, this is a lot of hair for me in this picture because I was practically bald. And my mom used to be teased with that because I didn't have any hair. Yeah, so it was like I was basically bald, guys. But yeah, I'm cute though, and I'm a look for red and black shorts, you know? Yeah, I don't know what that was in my hand. Oh, probably the thing that they keep the film in. We used to love play with them things. They used to keep these in the plastic containers that you keep the film in, the roller film from like when you clean your pictures or whatever. Yes, I think that's one of those. I used to love to play with them for some reason. Did anybody else do that? Let me know in the comment section. Alright, so this one, I'm standing on the dresser. You guys, yo, you don't know nothing about Jamaican life if you don't know that dressers are not complete unless them have like one bag of picture around the edges of the dresser. Look at this picture, guys, like in my little dress and whatnot. Figurine pan dresser. Anyways, I recognize a couple of these pictures on the side. I actually still have some of those pictures right now. I think I just look a lot like my brother, my younger brother, yo. But yeah, this is just me in my dress, standing on the dresser, them taking a picture of me. So yeah. No, oh god, guys, I look rough. I look so rough. Like, you know, my little floral jumper. Yeah, guys, honestly, I had like really, my clothes back then were really banging. Like, I had really nice clothes. And I think that was because my mom, she just made sure, she just always wanted me to look nice. Somebody did always have some really nice stuff, even stuff that I used to wear in the yard, and then my dad used to travel, so I used to carry back some things to me. So I always did look nice, even if I wasn't looking nice. You know what I mean? So right now, I guess my ear flat up. Them time of the hair starts, but I think I kind of look like my dad in this picture. If you guys look close, you will see I do not even know I don't have the best skin. I've never had the best skin. Never ever 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 had the best skin. I've always had problem skin. Anything that touches me leaves a mark for years to come. If I get a bite, it leaves a mark for years to come. I'm allergic to mosquito bites. I think I've told you guys this before, but just in case I didn't, I am allergic. They make me really swollen and the mark stays there for years. So I don't know about Zachariah Z right now, because I don't look like in another picture. Zachariah Z, literally. I was so cute, you know, but I was definitely not like, as a child, definitely not the type of girly girl type baby, like, oh my god, mommy. No, that wasn't really me. So yeah, this is my tug stage right now. Me tuggy toe in another picture here right now. Oh, this one is cute. Alright, so in this photo, I am in a blue jumper again. We used to have love jumper. And a little orange belly skin, them call it. I used to love this tube top. It was so cute. And my dad and mom always would want me to put on sneakers and socks. Always, as if I was an American child. I love sneakers and socks. And I hated it for some reason. I hated sneakers. Even though I'm not really the biggest fan of sneakers. I don't really like sneakers. Am I the only one? Tell me in the comments. Am I the only one that just don't like sneakers that much? I'm a slipper kind of girl. Give me some slippers. Sneakers too hot. Sneakers and socks. Used to always make me feel so miserable. Like, it's so uncomfortable. It's not even funny. I was so cute though. look at bubbles them. I had bubbles for days. I remember when I was in primary school, like I used to lose them for some reason. When I came home and I took them out, because I had migraines. I've been having migraines since I was small. I used to take them out because they were, you know, tight and uncomfortable. I used to take them out and leave them around the house. I'd leave them on the dresser, leave them on the veranda, and I used to lose them. So my mother was always buying clips and bubbles for me, so I always had a lot. I think in this picture, I think me and my dad were about to go somewhere. When I was younger, me and my dad always part, like we always go together. I always want to go anywhere we want to go. Like I really love my father. Like I always want to go anywhere my father is going. You know, I'm coming like in tears. It's like a bench and body type situation. And he was always working, but he wasn't. Back when we were living in Kingston side, he wasn't always like really busy. So we used to have like weekend moments. You know, we both go somewhere. We used to go out. But we used to go nowhere to make a little errand run, you know, run back in. But we used to say, go put on your clothes, go and make your father. Guys, what am I telling about my swag? I smile in that picture, you know. What am I telling about my swag? Like my swag is like the ish. Alright? My floor slippers. I love these slippers, but I remember I lost them. But I don't remember how I lost them, but I lost them though, like they were lost. I lost them, but I really love these. They were like some jelly beans with like platform. Yeah, they were real nice. I love these. I'm ready to top that says flower power, and my ribbons and my clips. And you guys keep my ring and my bangle them. My parents used to make sure I was so like always look good, like every single time. Yeah guys, I had a lot of rings and bangles. Always had rings and bangles. This outfit was pretty cute though. Yeah, but as you guys can see my skin again, always talking about my skin, because like, yeah, if you guys look closely you will see, yeah, my skin was not the best, but everything was nice though. Again, going out I think with my dad. Yeah, I always used to look so nice going out with my dad. Now this photo means so much to me. This is a picture of me and my mom. This was at my basic school graduation. I did my I did the valedictorian speech. And I remember that day, this dress came with a scarf, and I remember I was bawling. I said, "Mommy, don't put the scarf on me." I never wanted to wear the scarf for the dress, guys. I cried my eyes out. It wasn't easy. She couldn't get me to put the scarf on. At the end of it, I think her friend was the one who got me to wear the scarf, because she was like an aunt to me. So yeah, she talked to me and she's like, "Just put it on, man. You just won't take it off." Guys, I never wanted to wear the scarf for the dress. And in the end I was just glad. If you guys look at my eyes, you will see that I was kind of crying. I was kind of crying. Like, look at the size of that cat, so huge. Like they literally used to get fed. Without a joke, used to get fed. Yeah, I think these ties were my god sister's ties. I remember so clearly. It's funny because when you're younger, like you remember the slightest details, and now when I'm supposed to remember something, I cannot remember something important to save my life. But it's fine though. It's fine. Alright, so yeah, I didn't have enough swag when I was younger. A lot of swag. Like everything was always just on point. Bubbles to match my outfits. It was just always, but she was easy back then though. Very easy. Used to take my artistic, come used to black and shine. I mean, use this rest of my art. Oh god, would you hold the ball? Oh god. Anyways, so yeah, standing in front of the TV, figurine, you guys don't know anything about Jamaica if you don't know about this scene right here. This scene right here with the figurine and whatnot and TV and everything. It was just basically back in the day, like everything was just all about making things look pretty, right? Things had to look good, the house had to look good. The look of hang up flowers them, my house was full of that. It was like you're walking through a garden. Like this is the living room, look how crowded this is. And back in the day, this was the thing. It was the thing to have like a lot of figurines in your house and the little ornaments and them kind of things. You're like, it was the ish back in the day, you know. Yeah, I remember this day though. I think this ball was my little brother's ball. This was like probably like after my brother was born or whatever. Yeah, this was around like that time. So I remember, I think they got that ball for him. Alright, so next picture. Where was this picture all along? Like, I don't even know. This was when we had this thing at school and everybody had decided to like take a photo. You know those ones where you go to the photo studios and take, and they put like a background behind you or whatever. Yes, I was at a so-called pool at a hotel in this picture. But yeah, white pants. That I remember that was not a good idea. This was the day I got my first tattoo. I remember this because when he was doing the tattoo, he was like, why you wear white pants? Like, you never did a thing about that when you did the thing, say you don't get the tat. But honestly, the tat that day was a spur of the moment, so them call it, type decision, because I had not decided to get it done right there, you know, like at the same, like at that time on that day. But I was like, since it's convenient, let me just do it, you know. So that was when I got my first tattoo. Honestly, I wore white pants and it was an awful idea. I was pretty dark back then, walking home in the sun, just for fun, because we used to like walk a lot. And I was in the sun a lot more, like PE, walking home, like volleyball, because I used to play volleyball back then. I was, you know, trying to make volleyball team. I was on the team, but it wasn't like, even though I'm not like that big on athletics, I don't really see it like as that like important of a thing. I'm not really athletic, guys. I used to play netball and stuff, but only when I felt like it. So let me see. High school. Alright, so this was a high school photo. My hair was so soft back then, guys. Like everything was like cool with my hair. I was doing my little buns, my little flat twist. This is where it started. You guys have no idea. This is where it started. This is where I realized that, yo, like, girl, you can do the thing. Like, you can do the thing. I was so obsessed with my hair then. I'm not really obsessed, but like, I was fascinated with my hair. That's when I was discovering that my hair was like nice, because at this point I had to be doing my hair by myself to go to school. So I used to pick my styles, and me and my best friend, we used to match. So we used to like do our hair the same way to come to school. And sometimes I would leave the house and my hair wasn't looking the way I wanted it to, and then when I got to school, I used to get to school early, and then I used to just dip out, go into the bathroom, comb my hair, and then get back to class. And they were like, how you did that so fast? Like, it's really nice when you know how to do your hair by yourself. You guys see how neat those flat twists are? My game has fallen off. Like, I don't know how to do them that well anymore. I don't know why. But yeah, this is my uniform in high school. This was a geo trip, I believe, for my SBA, so you know that was like 5th form. The struggle is real. What is this? What am I on right now? Guys, what is this? I don't know. Alright, so at this point I still have this top. I still have this top right here. This was at my grandma's, like a little get together that we had from our grandma's, our Christmas dinner or something like this. You see the headband right now? I thought this headband was like the coolest accessory. Not even headband, hairnet. It's like, but people that have like a lot of hair, it did actually run the place one of the time. Come to think about it, like people used to wear it a lot. But I don't know, like on me right now, hell no. What was I thinking? I don't know. But back then I had not begun to realize the glow up never starts. You know, it never started. I was still in the stage of like figuring things out. It hadn't started as yet, so I was like, you know, I was still chill about everything. As you guys can see, no makeup, and I was old enough to wear it. But at this point I was just like, I have fair skin, but I'm the bump on my face, like I look fine, but I don't need to do nothing. I just want to take the time out, guys, for you to look at this picture. Like, look how clean my skin looked, right? Like my skin was beautiful. Like I literally had, I still don't have, like on my natural skin, you guys always comment on my videos and say like, you know, we need to see a skincare routine, which is coming soon, by the way. You guys always ask me my skincare routine and ask me how I keep my skin so clear, and I will tell you this now, I do have a video showing you guys my top tips for flawless skin. I'm gonna have that, leave the link in the description bar, and you guys can see it on the screen right now. But I always tell you guys that like, it doesn't really matter so much, you know, the stuff that you use or whatever. It's just really how you do the things, like how you take care of your skin, what you eat and stuff like that, so that you don't have the problem in the first place. I feel like that is more important other than trying to fix the problem. The real goal is like not to have the problem in the first place. So I am an avid water drinker. I drink a lot of water. I mean, like, probably when I drink things, 90%, 95% of the time I'm drinking water because it's really good for you. But you guys will see me talk about all that in the video, so just go check out the video for my skincare routine. But I just really wanted to show you guys how clear my skin was in this picture, guys. Like, so clear. Now we're in like the first stages of like university, when I had just started. No eyebrows in any of these pictures, no eyebrows whatsoever. I used to overshave my eyebrows just to give them a shape. You guys know the armpit razors are the one that you use on your legs. That's the one I used to shape my brows back in the day, and I was pretty good, honestly. I was pretty good at maneuvering it, and I got better over time. But I always used to just overshave my brows, and at this point I was still doing my hair by myself, still not going to like the salon to do anything. My nails, my hair, everything was all me all the time. And this was when I began to get really serious about makeup, like after the whole eyebrow stage. Yeah, that's when I began to get really serious about makeup. In this picture, I think I was like probably getting into like, I had started YouTube, and I was feeling more of like fashion. I used to love colors, like everything had to be so colorful and pretty because it made me feel happy. So I used to like wear like a lot of colors. I don't know, I just feel like colors, even though colors make me very happy. If I see something with a lot of colors on it, that's why I love glitter so much, because it's just very colorful and colors make me happy. So I used to wear a lot of colors back in the day. But I had to go on Facebook for some other pictures, and this is probably where the glow up started. This is me coming to college still, but this is where I started to get really deep into everything. Like, this is my hair. I've done my hair myself, crochet braids myself. This is the first time I slayed a conical and crochet braid, and I actually did a video for it at that time. Guys, all the videos will be left in the description bar. All the videos that I shot in this era, down below, because a lot of persons haven't checked those videos out because they probably never knew about me then. So I'm gonna have those linked in the description bar. Alright, this is where I wanted to blog about fashion. That's what I wanted to do at this point, and I was really just into it. And this is when I started doing Twift for the first time. My fashion review that I do, this is where I had started doing that for the first time. So I think I'm gonna do a Facebook edition of this soon, so thumbs up if you guys want to see that, and comment below. This top I customized myself, my conical and bang in the front. I was doing it. I had just recorded a video as well, because I was really into the whole recording at that point. You know, I really wanted to just, I wanted to be like, I wanted my channel to just be so bomb, like. And it wasn't easy because I was trying to figure out why, you know, things weren't growing as fast. And honestly, even like now is when things are like happening on YouTube for me, even like a little bit. Honestly, I want things to be better on here, but I'll wait, you know, while we grow. So let's continue to subscribe. I slayed these braids. I need to get back in. It's like I stopped doing twist styles and braid styles. I started just being lazy and just rocking wigs. And not that wigs are nice, because wigs are very nice, alright, but I just wish, you know, I miss doing this. I miss having these moments. This was when I used to do brows alone, just brows and probably something on my lips, because I don't need foundation at all. You guys look carefully, you'll see no blemishes, no nothing. But yeah, I used to just make natural hair blog posts on my Facebook page, guys. I'm gonna skip through most of these because I want you guys, so I want to do a Facebook edition, because if I do these pictures, it's gonna be way too long. Alright, I can't be bothered with that right now. But I'm gonna, ooh, guys, look at this picture though. I was so cute. I was so cute, guys. Oh my god. This was when my Facebook picture started to get like a lot of likes. But yeah, because you know, the glow up was beginning to come. You know, it was beginning to come. It was beginning to happen. And this was my first makeup tutorial to get like a lot of views. You know, like in the thousands. This was the very first one, and I had just gotten my Miss Doozy palette. So I was like, yeah, I'm going to do a makeup tutorial with this palette, and that's what I did, and it was so bomb. You guys loved it, a lot of you guys, and that's when a lot of you guys started to find me and started rocking with me. I honestly think this is my Facebook picture I got like the most likes ever. I may be wrong, but yeah, it was very pretty. And this was when I just got my Melody Susie wig, and it was It was banging. I haven't worn it like this since I got it. I keep wearing the bang full, but I think I need to sweep the bang back to the side. So this video is like, I mean, this picture is like really old. Yeah guys, this is gonna be the last picture that I'm gonna show you guys, because the glow up is still continuing and I want you guys to, like, you know, continue to rock with me. I don't want to show you guys the glow up too much. Okay, probably second to last. So in this picture I have my this unit, the same here. This was the video that I made for this wig. Yeah, so this was a very luminous, glowy type of makeup look, but this is me having things done pat, having the makeup on point, having to know, like, I'm knowing how to do hair like exactly the way I want to. So all I did was change the style of this wig, but that's basically what's happening in this picture right here. I was like on top of it, on top of everything, on top of the hair, on top of the makeup, having things down pat. YouTube is happening. I was still doing breaks on here, you know. I used to do a video, have like a bang video, and then I take a break because I wasn't able to film continuously, you know, as much as I would want to. So that's what was happening pretty much at this era. And then my last picture, guys, I don't even know which one to choose. I have so many pictures. Alright, let me show you one. I don't want to show you guys one when I was pregnant, so let me get one from before I was pregnant. This one right here. This one. This is the ultimate glowy picture that I have, so I'm going to use this one as the final glow up. My faux locks are installed by me. This is where I started to take bookings for faux locks a lot. So I had a lot of faux lock clients, and I don't have as much now, because anytime I have faux locks in, I always have a lot of faux lock clients. So I'm planning to put my faux locks back in real soon. This video has a lot of views right now as well. This is the like the glow up. Yeah, the glow up, that's what I call it. So I'm gonna have the link for this video in the description bar as well. Pretty much now every picture that I put up I have a video for. So if I keep telling you guys about checking out this video, that's because like a lot of these pictures are from looks, you know, looks that I've done and looks that I posted. So I think this is definitely going to have a part 2. For the most part, those are some of my pictures from my younger days to my older days, or my days like now. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. As usual, you don't know, if you liked it, if you like this Jamaican girl glow up and you feel like, you know, you can relate, then definitely thumbs up this video. And also hit the subscribe button if you're not as yet subscribed to my channel. So until next time guys, I'll see you in my next video. If you guys want something special, comment below, talk to me, let me know what video you guys want to see, what you want to see me make, what you want to see me react to. And I really want to do another version of this, so let me know what you guys think about that as well down below. Follow my Facebook, Instagram, Snapchat. I don't tell you guys all of this already, so just follow me Zine, so you can continue to see me glow up and continue to see me get better and be a better version of myself. I also follow people back on Snapchat, so you can follow me and then drop your Snapchat name below if you followed me, and my Instagram as well. So yeah, hope you guys enjoyed this video. As I said, thanks so much for watching, and I will see you guys in my next video. Until next time, stay naturally beautiful. Bye.